I've just finished cutting in this this wall, then I'll finish rolling it. And it's just a painted backsplash. It's just a painted backsplash instead of spending I don't know how much on a laminate backsplash, whatever, you know, they're just incredibly expensive. Incredibly expensive in Paris. What happened was we bought this paint to do the walls, and it's similar to this paint. This paint is actually plastic, and it doesn't actually roll. It's like a weird kind of plastic paint, but it's pretty rough. It's just the first coat, but I'm just trying to cut in. See, it doesn't. The thing with this paint is it doesn't lay paint. Good paint lays into itself. So if you put a brush, like you cut in here, I don't know if you can see that, but you cut in here with a brush, and then when you roll it, it's supposed to lay into itself, and the paint and it merges together. But this stuff doesn't. So you make a mistake, and it doesn't actually merge together. The good paint kind of covers up any mistakes and brush marks. Like you cut it in, your brush marks, and then if you roll quickly, the paint merges together, and you don't actually. But this. So we this is just the backsplash, and this is just the first coat. But what we did is we bought this kind of paint, this plastic paint, to put on the walls and tint it grey, and you couldn't actually paint with it because it didn't cover. It left these unbelievable streaks. It's really weird. It's hard to paint with. But anyway, let me get on with it. I don't know what that looks like through the lens, but unbelievably crappy paint. Nice colour. I like the colour. Just needs a second coat. The next coat will be so thick it'll look like tiles. Just cover everything. Into the water and away we go.